All right, welcome to Beckene Trading Journal. So today I'm going to still give you more detailed explanation about this trade that I've been carrying you guys along with, that I took was it not on the 1st. I took this trade on the 1st of November. So currently we are still in profit. We're currently at where we are right now is currently on 139 pips, 139 pips, and I've already broken even. So this trade is still going to run like what I explained the other time, that if you look at the 30 minutes, if you watch the previous video I did, I told you that this price was going to form something like this. Once it gets here, it's going to drop, which is what your low and your high. Immediately it broke this low, I expected the market to drop. So it's the same thing that we're still going to experience in the 4 hours. So we have a lot way to go. As you can see, this is a low already. Price went like this, came down, went up, came down again, came down, and it broke this. So whenever price break any of these lows, you understand, we're still going to have a downward movement, and which we've already had in the last few hours, which is this. We've already broke this level. Immediately it broke this level, I had to move my stop loss to break even, to secure this. So if price is still going to do anything upward, what we are going to be expecting is just here and what move down to the downside. You understand? Now 2 candles of 4 hours has already what stabilized this zone. You understand? Price is not going to break this place, because the reason why I'm saying that is that because this is what, look at where I got my trade from. I use Beckene Trading Journal. This is where I got my trade from. It was in a first phase, and when price get to a first phase, it always drop and break a certain level, which is what this breakout zone. So once it break out this zone, I'll take a trade, be it bearish, depending on what I'm saying here. Once it break it, I take a trade. So now the phases of a trend has two phases. You have the first phase, you have the last phase. So the reason why I'm still holding this trade, because we are still what in the first phase. And if you look at the structure of this trade, you look at the structure of this trade, it has broken the recent low. You understand? Two lows here, it has broken those lows. That is why I have to move my what SL down to break even. And as I'm talking to you now, this price is still going to drop massively. Let me shrink it a little bit. It's still going to drop because there is a lot of space here. It might drop to this place and relax a little bit, do a choppy, and then we are going to head to this place. So once price start coming to this zone, then the software will now move into what a last phase. We will now move into what we call a last phase. And once price move to a last phase, we don't do anything down to what close our trade. And if you look at the other pair like Euro, New Zealand, the same thing, they all roll in the same thing, but I only took this because this was my preferred pair. As you can see, this has done 160 pips, while this has done 200 and something pips, 214 pips, and I was able to grab 133 pips from this, and it's still going to fall the more. You understand? So that is how Beckene Trading Journal work. Now let me take you to the chart so that you'll be able to see how you can plot your key levels, or how the software can actually display key levels on all this trade that I've took so far. Now this is Beckene Trading Journal chart. Now let's go to the pair that I'm currently in. Now with this, now I'll be able to know if I'm going to move my XL downward or move it upward based on the key level it's going to generate for me. You understand? So I'll load this. Once I load this, I'll be able to see where the price is. As you can see, this is a daily candle. So let me put in our key level, or let me move it down to let's say 4 hours for more clarity. 4 hours, this is it. So this is the current trend of the market. So let me add first of all daily key level and see what the market is printing for me. As you can see, this is what my key levels, you understand, these are my key level. This is my starting point. This is my R1 or reversal level. Let me just click it so that you see this is my daily pivot. this is what my daily resistance level, this is what my daily resistance 2, my daily resistance 3. Like I told you, price is heading toward this support one. As you can see, this is my first support one, this is a daily candle, this is my support one, this is my support 2, then this is my support 3. So price is definitely going to test all these zones. Now let's go to weekly key level and see where the market is actually heading to. I told you that this thing is going to drop. As you can see, this is weekly key level. We've already broken, that was the price I told you then, that once we broke that level, we're going to drop heavily. We have broken support 1, weekly support 1, so we are heading to weekly support 2. You understand? Weekly support 2, then we might test weekly support 3, then I'll be done for this week. If once price get to this weekly support 3, I'll just close the trade automatically. You understand? But I know price will come to this place. Now let's look at what the month has for us. Let's look at the monthly key level and see what is up to. Let's see where it is now. As you can see, this is the monthly key level. You understand? This is the monthly key level. This is the monthly key level we're having. So it's still loading. So let me take it back to the weekly. I'll prefer to use the weekly until it loads, then I'll be able to decide. As you can see, price is still going to come to this what support 3. So once price get to this support 3, I am done for the day. So that is how you can be able to see everything on the chart by using Beginner Trading Journal. You get all the key level plotted out for you. At the same time, you can see generate them on your own. Let me click home so that you'll be able to see it. You can see generate your key levels on your own. All you need to do is just come here and you can see set alert on key level. You'll be able to get those alerts on your mobile phone. So once you subscribe to the app, you'll be able to do that on your own. It's pretty simple. It's not a rocket science. So let me show you how you can generate a key level. I'll select the pair that I want. This is a monthly key level that I want to generate for what the pair that I'm currently running on. So this is my key level. So I can just copy this and paste it on my chart. You get my key level. I can generate for weekly too. So instead of you plotting all these lines that you're seeing, as you can see, my chart is pretty empty. So I get all key levels, all information from the Beginner Trading Journal, both the trend direction, my entry and everything. That's why you're seeing this smooth rise that you're seeing. Let me check my position again. I'm currently on how many pips now? 135, and it's still counting. So this is the current resistance that I support I told you about that has broken it. So we are heading downwards. You understand? So that is how I keep the trade. So I'm still going to be updating you on how it goes because this price is still going to drop. It's still going to drop. We have a lot of room here. It's still going to drop. It's still going to drop. So that is how I use Beginner Trading Journal to trade. So if you like this kind of content, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can still have free trading plans. I drop free trades on my Telegram channel. You can join it too. From TikTok, you can join it. Instagram, you can join too and see learn how to trade the right way by using software to train, and you using software to give you more accuracy in the market. Like I don't plot any of all this. I don't plot. Once I look at the software, it tells me to do this, I do it. Whenever it tells me to do it, I do it. You understand? Because it's a trusted trading software. There's a lot of functions that can take your trading level to the next level. We have synthetic and all that. So you having this application is a win-win for you. You understand? It's a win-win for you. Now let me see if I can have any trade running up now. So there's no trade for me to pick. I think I will still be holding this pair. I'll still be holding it because it's still going to drop massively. It's still going to drop massively. So that is it. As you can see, it's still dropping. So that is this for that. So kindly subscribe on my YouTube channel and join my free Telegram channel where I drop free signal for you guys. This same trade, people made money with it yesterday by the time I was doing it, so you can still take advantage of it. You understand? And run with it. It's a free signal. You can message me to get more information on how to actually trade like a pro. Okay.